You ready? Okay, so when I first played Born This Way for my record label, well actually not really first, it was like a couple months down the line. One of the executives told me, they said, you know, Gaga, I do feel as though you're really catering your album to a very small niche of people that are really into like being weird and freaky and you know, I feel like you're catering toward like one kind of person. They called it a niche. This is a big fucking niche. It's amazing. Unless you ask the question, you don't really know how many people are like us or want to talk about or sing about the same things that we do. I don't think you're fucking weird or freaks. That's the whole point. We're just being ourselves, right? And to be honest, I quite like our little stadium niche.